Vivo Y93 FRP bypass. Let's fix. You don't know your pattern lock. Don't worry, let's fix the problem. Turn off your phone. Remove the back panel. This is the test point. When you connect to the PC, please press this test point. Power of your phone. Open the Unlock tool, select the brand. Search your model Vivo Y93. Select the first one. Click the factory reset. When connect to the PC, press the test point. Connect to the PC and press the test point. Successfully work completed. Press the power button. Select the Restore All settings. Successful work completed. Now you want to set up your basic setups. Here now your phone is ready.